Alright, so what I'm gonna do today is do some unboxing of this box. That's why we call it unboxing, because this is in a box. But there's also plastic around the box. So should we call it unplasticking? Last mo na yan. So first, before we unbox, we will unplastic it. You know what this is? This product is something we bought online from Shop SM. And it's good because, the delivery is faster than before. Last year, when we bought an electric fan, a wall fan from Shop SM, it took decades before it came to us. So this one, we just purchased it, maybe Tuesday, and now is Saturday. So after it's supposed to be here from between 7 to 10 days according to their schedule, because we're just outside Metro Manila. But in Metro Manila, it's around maybe 3 days, 3 to 5 days, I think. So we've unplasticed it, and we bought this product because we wanted to buy something to help us clean around the house that would not just simply shoo away the dust, but would take the dust. In fact, almost literally, can we say this product will inhale the dust and whatever dirt or whatever small pieces of trash there is. So here, you can almost see it now. Of course, it's a handheld vacuum cleaner from Imarflex. We wanted it to be something with a brand that we know, because there is warranty, unlike if you buy just any brand. We've seen many vacuum cleaners online, especially like on Lazada or Shopee, but I don't know the brands that are there. So here, at least Shop SM has a receipt, unlike many sellers online. Even on Lazada, there are only a few who issue receipts. So that's a plus. So you have something to work on. And this product has a 1-year warranty. So if anything goes wrong, we can always go back to the manufacturer or the seller, which is Shop SM. See? So after unboxing it, no, we haven't yet unboxed it because there's a box inside the box, and we gotta take that box out of the box. You know that term, out of the box? It's something very few people now do. Think out of the box. Many people think inside the box, nakakahon, so to speak. So we've gotten the box out of the box, and now there's another plastic, and this one is the one that protects the inner box, especially when it's being transported. So you take this off. See? What do you call this? Plastic you can pop. Bubble wrap. Thank you for that. That's my wife. Gee. So we've taken out the box, the plastic. We've taken out the box out of the box, and we're taking the bubble wrap off the actual box of the product. So it's Imarflex Bagless Cyclone Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. It has a wall mount holder, and it has a HEPA filter. I don't know if that's against the disease, but it is maximum 690 watts. Most people, like me before, I didn't know what this watts are all about, but it's the electrical consumption of the appliance. It's important to know because it has something to do also with your electrical wiring. So there are certain kinds of wires for different power consumption, wattage appliances. So here it is. We'll get back to you in a while after we've assembled it. So we're back, and so here now we've unboxed the Imarflex Bagless Cyclone handheld vacuum cleaner. And let me just show you this for a while. This is a warranty card, and it's something you need to fill up here and send over to them. This address, that's their offices, main offices of Imarflex. But I was wondering if we could just email them, so I'll try to get in touch with them in a bit. For now, let's take a look at the components of this thing. So here it is. This is the handheld vacuum cleaner. So this is where you connect this one. It's the tube. It's extendable. So the power lies here. This is the motor, and this is where hot air goes out as the motor, as you use this appliance. Here's the power on and off button, and because it's bagless, it needs to have this one. This is where the dust and all that stuff goes in. That's the filter. And the nice thing I like about this is the cord. It's a 7-meter cord, so you can go up to 7 meters from your power source without having to carry a big lug about, a big vacuum cleaner, because this is handheld. It's holding it now, it's probably about what, 2 kilos, 2 kilograms. So simple to assemble. You just need first to take out the telescopic, we call it the telescopic tube. So you unlock it here, you pull it out. You see those notches? You can choose any length for it, and you can extend up to this here. See, it's long. So let's just keep it short for now. And what do you connect here? The smaller portion you can connect. For example, this one is for the floor. And as you can see, here there's a switch. We call it switch. And what does it do? When I press this one, look. When I press it, this appears. So you can scrub the floor if you need to with this brush. And there's also sort of like a rubberized piece here. So here, see? It's like a squeegee. So you can use it on smooth floors too. Alright? So I've already actually tested it a while ago, so there's dust. But you can connect this here. See, you just push it in, push it right in, like that. Alright? So there. Okay. And then on the other end here, that's where we connect this one. So just push it in, it's there. So see, it's telescopic, it goes here, the dust goes here. Okay, so if you want to use it other than the floor, first, okay, I'll take this off again, just like that, very simple. And then I'll take this head off, just twist it a bit, and then I can use, for example, for crevices, narrow spaces, I can use this one, this nozzle. See, just push it in, voila. Okay, so you can use it on like the corners of your sofa beds, right? You can also use actually this one as a head. What's this? It's a smaller head with a brush. So like for example, you can use it on textured surfaces like your sofa, your bed maybe. So you can use that. Small brush, but I think it'll do the job. And then those are the 3 heads you can use. The one with the brush, the one with for small spaces, and the one for the floor. So what's this? Here's another piece. This goes with a few screws. This is your wall mount. What do you do with the wall mount? Of course, you mount it to the wall. So you have a place. You have a place where you can store your Cyclone vacuum cleaner, right? So it fits right on the bottom. See? So when this is on the wall, it will hold your vacuum cleaner on your wall. So you don't have to worry about storage. So that's about it. So you attach this to the wall using these screws, see? And don't forget to like our video, subscribe. It's not an option. We order you to subscribe. That's it, folks. Bye.